It says Moo, Ba, La 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 by Sandra Boynton. Okay, do you want to read that? That looks a really good book. Please, Grandma, please. Let's do it now. Now, please, Grandma.
Grandma, are you ready? Oh, yes, Moo Cow. Let's look. Moo, Ba, La 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 by Sandra Boynton. A cow says moo. That's right, Grandma. Moo, moo. That's me. A sheep says ba, ba. That looks like the Baba puppet, doesn't it? 3 singing pigs say la, 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 la. Oh, that's so silly. I wonder if Oink Oink does that. No, you say. That isn't right. The pig says oink, oink, oink all day and night. That's right, Grandma. Oink Oink says oink. Rhinoceros snort and snuff. Oh, they look scary, Grandma. And little dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. That's not what Bobby and Dylan do. They go bark, bark, bark. Some other dogs go bow, wow, wow. Look at those other dogs. And cats and kittens say meow, meow. Oh. Grandma, are you having trouble where you want me to help? There. Quack, says the duck. Look at the duck. A horse says neigh. We should ask horse what horse says. We'll finish the book first, Grandma. It's quiet now. What do you say? Moo, moo. What do you say, Grandma? I say hi, hi. Can we ask horse what horse says? Can we? Horse, come here, please. Horse. Yes? Or, who are you? Yes, Moo Moo. What can I do for you? Horse, what sound do you make? Me? I go, neigh, neigh. That's right. I think so. Isn't that right, Grandma? Yes, it is. You're both very good. I love you both. I love you, Grandma. And Grandma, thank you for reading me that story. That was so much fun.